Hello everyone, I'm Xiao He. Today I'm going to introduce a very classical dessert, Black Glutinous Rice Cake. This Black Glutinous Rice Cake from Jack&King is made with black gluten rice with sesame seeds and lotus seeds. I heard that it's very fragrant and delicious taste, and it is rich in nutrients, so let's try it. No need to thaw. After removing the black gluten rice cake from the bag, steam it for 8 to 9 minutes and it will be ready to use. This is the Black Glutinous Rice Cake. The entire cooking process is very convenient, even kitchen beginners can try it. Okay, let's taste it. When we eat it, the black glutinous rice tastes very fragrant because it paired with the sesame seeds and the lotus seeds. The taste is refreshing, sweet, and very delicious. The sweetness of Jack&King's black glutinous rice cake is pleasant and not overly sweet. Moreover, this black glutinous rice cake can also be served as very convenient breakfast. It's nutritious and delicious. I recommend everyone to try it. That's all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Jack&King's, a taste of China, anytime, anywhere.